Picture this, you're staring at your living room windows and they look like they haven't been cleaned since the last solar eclipse. Sound familiar? Well, today we're diving into something that just might change your relationship with window cleaning forever. The Winbot W2 Pro Omni from Ecovacs, today's video partner, just might be that answer. Now, before you roll your eyes and think another robot I don't need, hear me out. This isn't just some gimmicky gadget. This is a $600 window cleaning robot that promises to stick to your glass, spray, scrub, and leave everything sparkling while you sit back with your coffee. But does it actually deliver? Let's talk about what makes this thing special. First off, this robot works on way more than just windows. I'm talking shower doors, mirrors, even glossy tile walls. It's like having a professional window cleaner that never calls in sick and doesn't charge by the hour. The setup is ridiculously simple. No safety ropes, no complicated mounting systems. You literally just press it against the glass and hit go. The robot uses advanced suction technology to stay stuck while it methodically cleans every inch of your surface. And here's what blew my mind. It actually gets into corners and edges that I usually miss when cleaning manually. Not the best cleaner. But here's where it gets really interesting. This thing has multiple cleaning modes depending on how dirty your glass is. Light cleaning for weekly maintenance, deep cleaning for those windows that look like a crime scene, and even an edge mode that's focused specifically on getting to those tricky corner spots perfectly. The spray system is genius too. It missed the cleaning solution in a precise pattern before the microfiber pads do their work, then follows up with a squeegee action that leaves everything streak free. I tested this on windows that hadn't been cleaned in months. Don't judge. The kind that could use a proper cleaning. And the results were honestly impressive. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. At $600, this isn't an impulsive purchase. But when you consider that professional window cleaning can cost over $150 per visit, and this thing pays for itself after just a few uses, the math starts making sense. What really sold me was the versatility. You can make incredible use of this in the spring when the windows get absolutely destroyed by pollen and dust. Instead of spending a Saturday with a ladder and a squeegee, you just stick the Winbot on each window and go about enjoying your weekend. It's portable enough to travel with and compact enough to store easily. The allergy angle is huge too. Clean windows mean less dust and pollen accumulation, which translates to better air quality in your home. If you're someone who struggles with seasonal allergies, this could be a game changer for you and your living space. Here's what surprised me most. The quality of cleaning actually rivals what I do manually. The robot follows a systematic pattern that ensures complete coverage, and those edge cleaning capabilities are legitimately better than what most people achieve by hand. So who is this perfect for? If you have large windows, sliding glass doors, or a beautiful view you want to actually see clearly, this makes sense. If you're tired of paying for professional cleaning services or risking your safety on ladders, this is your solution. And if you value your weekend time and want one less household chore to worry about, the Winbot W2 Pro Omni delivers. The bottom line, this robot turned window cleaning from a dreaded chore into something I actually look forward to watching. Clean windows transform your entire living space by letting in more natural light and giving you crystal clear views of the world outside. Touch grass, people. You can experience the same convenience by using the links found in the description below. Real quick, if you're watching this during the holiday season, you're in luck because starting on November 15th through December 1st, the Winbot W2 Pro Omni is being discounted 43% off down to $399.99 from its original price of $699.99. So hit the links in the description below.